I can do anything. I can do everything. I can do everything well. In my life, everything always happens on time and in the best way. I am grateful to the universe for everything in my life. I have everything to enjoy life. I attract prosperity into my life. I'm doing great, and with every new day my life is changing for the better. My life is blooming. I am in complete harmony with the universe. I feel my power. In any situation, I am calm and collected. Luck and success always accompany me in everything.